Hi, welcome to Conversios. In this video, we will see how to set up Conversios plugin within your WordPress store. So first of all, you need to purchase the plugin so that you can have the license key and activate in your store as well. All you need to do is just type in conversios.io and you can go to pricing page wherein you will see list of products available. So for now, you see starter, professional and enterprise as well. We'll go ahead with starter plan and see how to activate it in the WordPress store. Click on it, get started, fill in all the details, and once everything is done, you will receive an order alert with all the required details. Your subscription ID, activation date, license key, and you will get the plugin zip as well that you need to upload to your store. Let's quickly go to the email and see how that order confirmation email would look like. Here if you see, you have URL, user ID, you will have the dashboard password as well, and the information that includes subscription ID, plan name, the amount that you have paid, license key. Let's go to the WordPress backend, go to the plugin section, install plugins, or you can go to add plugin as well. So now you can simply click on add plugin, then click on upload plugin, add the file and activate it. You will see the pro version of the Conversios plugin is added to the plugin section in your store. If by any chance you are using the free version of the plugin, make sure to deactivate and delete it from your store. Simply click on skip and deactivate. So you see the free version of the plugin is deactivated. You can now delete, and let's activate the pro version of the plugin now. So activate. Now we will see Conversios Pro as an option on the left side menu. So let's click on account settings. Simply add your license key here and click on this icon to activate your license key. Once your license key is activated, you will see certain information related to your subscription that you have purchased right on your screen. Let's quickly go to Pixel and Analytics and see how to set it up. So click on it here. The very first step is Google Tag Manager. Let's click on Google Tag Manager. In the Google Tag Manager settings, we have two options to set up the container. Either you can go ahead with default Conversios container or you can use your own. Apart from this, I just want to highlight that we do offer V2 consent mode setup as well. And if your website operates in a region where user consent is required, then enable V2 consent mode from here. Enable, and you will see the default container option and use your own VTM container too. So let's go ahead with use your own container and see what are the options here. So we have automatic and manual. So in the automatic, you need to log in with your email address that has access to that container and click on the edit. From the drop down, click on the container that you wish to connect. Done. Hit save. As the next step of the setup, we have Pixel integrations wherein we have Google Analytics, Google Ads and Facebook, and certain other pixels as well like Microsoft, LinkedIn, TikTok, Snapchat, Pinterest, Twitter, Hotjar, CrazyX. Let's go ahead and see how to proceed further with the Google Analytics. Let's click on it here. Now let's just click on sign in with Google button and make sure to log in with the email address that has access to your GE4 account. Continue. And here you might see options like check boxes. Please check all the boxes for better tracking and purposes, and it is very important for the reporting as well. So let's click on continue. Once this is done, these drop downs will be enabled. So let's click on it here. Simply select the account ID and then measurement ID as well. Once this is done, hit save. Now we'll go ahead and see for the Google Ads setup as well. So click on it here. As you can see, I'm already logged in with my email address. Now all I need to make sure that I connect the correct Google Ads account. So let's click on change button. Then click on the drop down to select the correct ads account. And then for conversion tracking, we have purchase, add to cart, begin checkout and form lead submit option. Now let's click on add. And if you have already created the conversion label and ID for specific conversion actions, you will see that in the drop down. So you can simply select it, or if you don't have any ID and label created already, we provide an option to create a conversion action directly from the plugin. So you can click on it here and you will see that the new conversion label and ID is created. So select that and hit on save changes. Similarly, for the add to cart, you can either select from the drop down an existing label and ID, or you can simply click on create new conversion action and hit save changes. Same we can do with begin checkout and form lead submit. So let's click on add, create new conversion action, select it and hit save changes. Now, if you are planning to run campaigns and ads, we recommend to enable these checkboxes before saving these changes. So once that is done, hit on save. Done. Now, Facebook is the next in row. So there are two options now here. Either you can sign in with Facebook, or you can simply type in the pixel ID that you wish to connect here. Conversion API tracking is available with the professional plan. Let's see how to find the pixel ID as well. So we simply need to go to the Facebook Business Manager account, all tools, Events Manager, Datasets, then click on settings and copy the pixel ID and paste it right here. Once this is done, hit save. As the next step, Microsoft Ads being set up is there, so let's click on it here. Now here we need to log in with the account that has access to Microsoft. So let's go ahead and sign in here. As I'm logged in now, let's go ahead and select the Ads Manager account from the drop down, then Microsoft Ads account and the UID tag as well. Once this is done, the conversion action for purchase, add to cart, begin checkout and form lead submit will automatically be enabled. So we don't need to do anything additionally here. Let's simply click on save button here and Microsoft Ads Bing account is connected. Now let's go ahead and see how to set up Microsoft Clarity. Now to get the Microsoft Clarity ID, log into your Microsoft Clarity Manager account, click on settings, and the project ID will be your Clarity ID. So just copy it and paste it in the WordPress admin under Microsoft Clarity section and hit save. Now as the next step, LinkedIn Insight is the one that we have to connect. So let's click on it here and simultaneously let's log into the LinkedIn Insight account as well. Once you're logged in, go to the data, then Signals Manager. Here you will see an option as Insight tag under sources. So just click on it and scroll down a bit and then click on I will install the tag myself. Now in the second row you will see a numerical value. So just copy that value and paste it to the section available for Insight ID and hit save. As the next step in the setup, let's see how we can add TikTok pixel within the Conversios plugin. So let's just click on it here, and also in the same time let's log into the TikTok Business Manager account as well. So let's go ahead. Once you're logged in, you will be able to see home and data sources as we are logged into ads.tiktok.com. So click on data sources and there you will see the pixel ID. So let's just copy the pixel ID from here and paste it in the box. Hit save. As I mentioned, this is the starter plan, which is why the conversion API for TikTok is not available with this plugin. Now after TikTok, here comes the Snapchat pixel. So click on it here and let's quickly go to the Snapchat Business Manager account as well. Once you're logged in, you will see certain options on the left side. Click on pixels. You may see multiple pixels if you have already created from your side. Click on the one that you wish to connect. Copy the ID from here and paste it in the box and hit save. Similarly, Snapchat conversion API token is not available with the starter plan. Now, to process further, let's go ahead and see for the Pinterest pixel. Let's click on it here. And in another tab, let's open the Pinterest Business Manager account as well. And its account overview. And then click on conversions. Now here you need to click on Tag Manager. And if you have already created the Pinterest tag, you would be able to see it on your screen. So just copy these numbers and paste it here. Let's click on Save Now. Similarly, you can set up Twitter Pixel, Hotjar Pixel, and Crazy Egg Pixel. Now, as the setup is done, let's go ahead and see what other features are there within the plugin. So, product feed is one of the features wherein you can push your products to certain other channels like Google Merchant Center, Facebook, TikTok, Microsoft as well. So let's go ahead and see. Click on product feed. Now, as you see, we have 4 options here: Google Merchant Center, Microsoft Merchant Center, TikTok, and Facebook as well. So it's totally up to you. If you wish to connect all the channels, you can, or if you have requirements for Google Merchant Center and Meta, you can connect these 2 only and leave other as such. So I'm going to go ahead and set up Google Merchant Center. As I'm already logged in with my email address, all I need to do is select the correct Merchant Center account and hit save. Now, once you connect your account, you will have this pop-up on your screen to create a feed. So click on it and just type in the name of the feed. Now there are a few options that you can set up based on your need. If you want to enable auto sync, you can enable this button. Auto sync interval, by default it is 25, but based on your need you can add the number of days as well. So I'm going to go ahead and set as 1. You can select the target country from these drop down, and I'm going to go ahead with United States. Now, as I have connected Google Merchant Center, I see that as an option here, and we'll click on Create and Next. Click on Close. Click on Sync Products. Then here if you see, we have 2 options: Do It Yourself, where you need to choose the category and attributes manually, and the other option is Automatically, wherein we will map your products to the right categories. So for now, let's go ahead with Do It Yourself and see what are the options available and how to do it. So here if you see, I have already selected a few for hoodies. I have selected clothing. So if you have any other products, let's say for t-shirt, and you want to assign it to a specific category, then search for it. Select it and click on Next. Now the next comes the attribute. So first 4 options are by default saved here. But even if you want to make changes, let's say for ID, if you want to assign it with SKU, simply click on it, search SKU and select it. Now, apart from this, you see many other options are also available for the attributes, so you can make changes as per your requirements. So we have provided an option for add attribute. So if you see any attribute is not available in the list, simply click on the add attribute. Click on the drop down and select the attribute that you wish to have. So age group, and from here you can choose the option. So let's say we go ahead with adult. Once this is done, scroll down and click on Sync Products. Now your feed is in place and it's processing. So let's click on Done. As you see, the current status is draft here. It may take some time to update the status. Meanwhile, let's see what is the option available under Automatically. And this time we are going to go ahead with this one. So you see, in the second option, you do not have to select any categories or attributes. We do it from our side. So it's done. Now, for the status, if you see, the first feed that we have created is Sing Now. So this is real-time feed that we are offering with our plugin. Let's go ahead and see how to set up the Facebook business account for the catalog and the feed as well. Now here we need to log in with our Facebook account. Now as I am logged in, I have to select the business ID from this drop down and then catalog ID and hit save. Once this is done, like we did for Google Merchant Center, if you want to create a feed for Facebook, simply click on create feed button here and you can create feed with all those options available that we saw in Google Merchant Center. As we have connected Google Merchant Center and Facebook catalog, there are two other options as well that you see on your screen: Microsoft Merchant Center and TikTok business account. So if you want to connect these accounts as well and push your feeds and products to these specific channels as well, you can go ahead and connect the account and create feeds. Now let's go ahead and see what else we have in this plugin. Now we go to reports and insights. So here we have 4 types of reports, that is general report, e-commerce report, Google Ads report and Meta Ads report. In general reports, we will see the sessions, new users, average session duration, bounce rate and audience report as well. Wherein under e-commerce report, we will see product views, add to cart, total transactions, average order value, revenue, conversion rate, items that are added to the checkout and items purchase quantity. Along with that, we will see a GA4 performance matrix as well, under which we will see source medium performance, order performance and product performance. Now if we go further, we will see conversion funnel and checkout funnel as well. Now if we see Google Ads report, we will have a drop down option wherein we will see all our campaigns listed. You can simply select the specific campaign and see the reports, which has impressions, clicks, conversions, sales, average CPC, cost and ROAS as well. Now here we have the campaign performance report, keyword performance report and search term report as well. You'll get the daily clicks, daily costs, daily conversions, daily sales. All these data you will see under Google Ads report. And for Meta Ad report, you will have a drop down from where you can select the specific Meta Ads account ID and see the Meta Ads and campaign insights. So I'm going to go ahead and select my account. Once I select the Meta Ads account, I'll be able to see campaign name, unique clicks, impression, spend, CPC, reach and purchases. And there are certain filters that you can choose, and based on that you will get your report. Now this is all about the starter subscription of the Conversios plugin. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and we will go ahead and create more such contents and videos for your references. Thank you for watching.